information, be it anything. Portlets. What are portlets? So coming back to iGoogle, the closest example or instance of a portlet is the individual snippets you see on iGoogle. Although those are also called widgets, but very loosely speaking, portlets are a building blocks of a portal. So we'll define what a portal is. It's your doorway or entrance or a gateway to information applications. And a portal in itself is built up of multiple portlets. So why do we need portlets? The main benefit we get out of portlets is, in itself, a single portlet is actually a Java component on its own, which means it individually processes requests and it individually gives out a response. So again, as you can see on iGoogle, there are multiple windows there. So all those windows are actually examples of portlets. Again, technically they're not portlets, but from a UI perspective, from an end user perspective, this is how the portlets will manifest to you. Again, in a very layman term, if you're looking at a web page, if you are on a web page that qualifies as a portal, then the individual windows on that are called portlets. As I said, these are essentially Java-based components. They're pretty much same as servlets. In fact, I would go ahead and call them specialized servlets. They have some constraints on them, which sets them apart from servlets. And the biggest difference between a servlet and a portlet is a servlet would process requests, and in turn, it would return you a complete web page or an HTML document as a response. Whereas portlets, ultimately, as I told you, ultimately a single portlet is going to fit into a portal page. It is going to form a small segment of the portal page or a web page, which means a portlet does not return an entire web page. It is always going to return back a small HTML fragment. So in that sense, servlets, portlets are similar because they all are Java-based. They process user requests, and while one of them, servlet, it generates the entire web page and gives it back to the browser. Portlets, however, they generate HTML fragments, which in turn are assembled together to form a portal page.